What's going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Alright guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. So these charts that I've been breaking down this morning, I've been breaking down them a little bit faster than usual. That's because I'm trying to trade at 9:30 and record that for the $2,000 to $10,000 penny stock challenge. So just bear with me, okay? So we're starting at the daily time frame. So this allows us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. This allows us to find our target or entries and all that good stuff, okay? So as of right now, you can see that we closed on Friday at almost 3%. And at 39.84 pre-market this morning, we're at 40.15, almost 1% for the morning. And the market's about to open in about in an hour. So I'm going to break down the lines so that way for the people that are new here, I can actually explain to them what these resistance lines are and these support lines and what they represent, okay? So down here represents our major support line, and that can be tested. You can see that we've bounced off of this level multiple times. We usually like to test it either 3 or more times. We can back test even further with prior price action movements. You can see back here we had resistance. And then ultimately, this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we got rejected in this area, a couple candlesticks rejected in this area, and then over here. So once what works as resistance will work as a floor. You can see that over here. We broke above, bounced off of this level, bounced here, ultimately until we failed this third bottom retest and pulled all the way back down to our major support level. Okay, and then this line represents a minor support and resistance level. So there are different levels of minor support and resistance lines. So this one is just a minor resistance. You can see that we came up, got rejected here. You can see on the opposite side, we bounced on this level, and then all of this action over here, okay? So that's another tested area. So as of right now, since we know that this is a minor resistance line, we can see before it came up, it was working as support, ultimately gapped under, you guys, tried to pull back through, creating a breakout, tried again over here, and then ultimately created this bottom hammer stick candlestick. As of right now, we are still under this trend line. Even on the RSI, you can see that we were oversold and now pulling back. On the volume, you guys, we're at 370, so we're over that 150,000 volume, which is always good. However, currently where we're at, let me go ahead and dive in a little bit more into the actual candlestick. So you can see that we came up, ultimately got rejected. That means buyers are no longer stepping up, you guys. So what we need to look for is the next ideal entry to get in. Okay, so let's go ahead to the 1 hour chart so we can see these more individually. So you can see that we gapped down. We had this engulfing candlestick that definitely had to be a whale. That being somebody with probably millions of dollars invested, either got in or got out within this area right here. But you can see that we tried to create a breakout right here, got rejected. Excuse me. And now that we're trading under this trend line, we're starting this downward trend. Okay, that doesn't mean that we can still bounce off this little tiny resistance support that we have right here, and for this to come up and test this resistance area again. That's what we're looking for, to show that buyers are stepping up. That doesn't mean that buyers are in control. That just shows that buyers are stepping up. If we can come back up into this $41 area, what we need to see to further confirm that buyers are stepping up is that if we can break above this to come up and come back down and retest this level, that will further confirm that buyers are stepping up and that we're trying to create this upward trend, okay? So as of right now that we're below this support line or this resistance line, you guys have to respect that. These are heavily tested areas, okay? So if this does come up and ultimately create a breakout above this and comes up and comes back down, that could be a good ideal entry. Have your stop loss, like I said, back on the opposite side down here. You can put that anywhere, I guess, anywhere below this candlestick at the $40 area. Always want to give yourself some wiggle room just in case you have a candlestick wick that peaks below that. And then so if this does come up and retest this area and get rejected, our next buy opportunity or our next ideal entry could be all the way back down here at our major support level at the $33. I don't really believe that we'll pull back down that far. More than likely we'll pull back halfway to the 36, but I always like to give the safest entry in the more tested areas. So this is the more heavily tested area back down here. So that's why I just throw that out there as an example. But if we do come up and get rejected off this area, don't worry. I'll make another updated video explaining where we're headed next. But as of right now, we need further confirmation on it, the exact direction that we're headed. Yes, we're below the trend line. Yes, it shows that we're starting this downward trend on the RSI. So yes, we can say that we're in a downtrend, but at the same time, we need further confirmation on both ends if buyers are going to step up or if sellers are in control. So as of right now, I would personally wait for a better opportunity. That's just my opinion, you guys. I'm never here to sit here and say, you guys, this is going up or this is going down, or you need to get in here or you need to get in there. I'm only here to give you an example or an idea on exactly what you're looking at, so you can apply your own technical analysis or your fundamentals or whatever the way you trade. But that's all I'm here for, you guys. So as of right now, like I said, personally though, I would personally wait until we can break above this $41 or $40 area and to come up and come back down and retest so that buyers are in control. And like I said, that would be the safer entry. So if you guys like the way I break down these charts fast and efficiently, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys every single day or Monday through Friday. And other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.